how to redeem PlayStation Store gift card on PlayStation app. First things first, if you don't have the PlayStation app, just download it via the Play Store if you're using an Android device. Just go to search and type in PlayStation. Now you have to download and install on the second result right here. This one. And then if you already downloaded this app, make sure that this app is up to date so there will be no further issues that's going to be happening. Now once you already have the app, just pull it up and then log in to your PlayStation app account. And if you don't have an account, just go to their official website and create a PSN account. Now, the only thing that you can redeem your PlayStation gift card is via this app. Now all you have to do is just click on this shopping bag right here, which has a PlayStation icon in it. Just tap on that. Then from there, go to the three lines located at the right corner, and then tap on redeem code. Now all you have to do is to enter the 12-character voucher code which is located on your card. Um, in some cases, there are specific cards that you need to scratch in it first so that you'll be able to see those codes. You'll just have to enter it and make sure that if there is a capital letter from the card, make sure to enter a capital letter as well here. So that's how you can redeem a PlayStation gift card using the PlayStation app.